How satisfied are you with the first victory? It wasn't so easy.
Yes, we're happy to win, especially to score 5 goals and not concede. But for me, the first half was not good, not the same level that I want to see my team. And I told them in the half that we must raise our level. And I'm happy that second half it was better. Still, we can play much better. But, you know, we won. We must now rest and analyze the game because we need to improve more.
Trener je istakao da je srećan što je njegova ekipa triumfovala, možda nije to bilo baš tako lako, očekivao je možda čak i više od naših igrača, to im je rekao i na kraju prvog dela igre, rekao je da moraju da se podignu u drugom poluvremenu, tako da je na kraju i zadovoljan onime što je video, svakako će nastaviti da vredno treniraju i rade.
Šta je tačno čime nije bio zadovoljan, pa ih je naterao čak i da trče ili da odrade neki dodatni trening pred sam početak poluvremena?
What are the things that you wasn't satisfied with? So we saw some players running and getting ready, all the players in the halftime.
Before start of second half.
I thought that in the first half we didn't press like we used to. We didn't take the second ball. We didn't create enough chances like we need because we didn't play organized. Everybody do what you want, and this is not our game. And like I said, the second half it was better, but like I said, we must play better.
Pressing nije bio onakav kakav su želeli, nisu dovoljno išli igrači na drugu loptu, možda nisu bili dovoljno organizovani pa su radili ono što su želeli, ne ono što su se dogovorili, to nije to njegova igra pa su zato imali malo zadataka da se poprave.
Do you have any idea why weren't you so good in the first half? Do you think it was the fact of the first official game?
Maybe because of the first official game, maybe the legs was heavy from the player, but also maybe it was looked like easy game because the red card and we lead so early, so we stop and we didn't continue to push. But for me, we must push because we want to prepare to the Champions League and we must raise our level. So this is what I think, and I want that we play better.
Pitanje je glasilo da li je ekipa možda imala pritisak i s obzirom na činjenicu da je ovo prva zvanična utakmica. Trener kaže da je možda i do toga što je bila prva utakmica, možda su noge bile teške od onoga što su im je prethodilo, tačnije utakmica kontrolnih i priprema. Svakako je to možda jedan od faktora, ali želi da njegova ekipa ima visok presing, da igra napadački, to je ono što će njih tražiti u Ligi šampiona.
Two questions. What is good that you are taking from the game? What are the good parts that you are taking from the game? And the second is how impressed you are with the performance of the crowd.
Well, the good, of course, we won. We won. We scored 5. We didn't concede goal, and this is the good. Of course, some players play good, some play less, but we work on it. But of course, the defense is amazing, and like I said before, and I say it all the time to the player, we need to fight for them first, and all the games we heard them, amazing, and we want to continue, and we want that they will come more and more.
Pitanje je glasilo kojim delovima igre je zadovoljan naš trener, zadovoljan je činjenicom da je ekipa pobedila. 5:0 bilo igrača koji su igrali dobro, onih koji su bili možda malo loši, ali eto i to će se popraviti i naravno izuzetno je zadovoljan time što su navijači pružili podršku u toku čitave utakmice i želi da im oni to uzvrate još boljim igrama u budućnosti.
Crowd, all of this atmosphere.
Yes, I said it's very nice atmosphere. We know they can come more because now it's vacation and maybe the weather is supposed to be raining, but it was okay. So we believe that if we continue to play good and we need to play better, they will come even more.
Atmosfera je naravno bila sjajna, možda je bilo malo manje navijača s obzirom na činjenicu da su odmori u toku i da smo imali priliku da vidimo da je najavljeno loše vreme, ono je na kraju bilo dobro, tako da nada se da će sa još boljim igrama doći još više navijača na tribine.
Da li bi sada istu 11-toricu poslala na početak?
If you could do it once again, would you have the same starting 11?
I'm not sorry for what I did because we did all the time, for me, the perfect preparation for the game. Sometimes it's not going well like we want, but I think that we start with the right 11. All the time we pick for me the right 11. I think because of from the training.
Zahvaljujući analizi, sve ono što rade smatra da je uvek onih startnih 11 najbolji izbor, tako da ne bi ništa promenio. Naravno ne razmišljam mnogo o tome šta bi bilo kad bi bilo, ali eto temeljna analiza je prethodila ovoj utakmici pa smatra da je tih startnih 11 bilo ispravno.
šta je Kraso i Bukari između, od ostali su se definitivno odvojili, da li još neko, i već ima 2 boda prednosti odnosno na Partizan.
Kraso and Bukari, maybe we could say that they were the best, so is there somebody else who would like to emphasize? And also now you are 2 points already in front of our rival Partizan.
I don't care about other team, but for me, Kraso and Bukari score, of course, but I don't like to speak about a specific player. I like to speak about all the team.
Hvala, thank you so much. Hvala vama što ste bili sa nama. Ja ću na kraju samo da kratko prevedem i ovaj posljednji odgovor. Imali smo priliku da čujemo i kako je to glasilo pitanje koje kaže da li su se upravo od dvojica spomenutih igrača Bukari i Kraso izdvojili. Trener je rekao da ne voli posebno da priča o imenima, ali činjenice su postigli golove, ih svakako izdvaja i za sam kraj naravno ne razmišlja o drugim timovima. Pa eto, time smo i odjavili ovu konferenciju za medije.